California's 482 cities are voluntary associations. A community incorporates as a city when its residents decide local self-government beats relying on the county, usually because they want local control over land use and police. Incorporation must be approved by the Local Agency Formation Commission, or LAFCO, which evaluates whether the new city is fiscally viable and then ratified by a vote of residents. By the way, California law makes no distinction between a city and a town. They're legally identical. Like counties, cities come in two flavors, general law and charter. But here the difference is bigger. Charter cities have significantly broader home rule authority. The Constitution gives them plenary power over what it calls municipal affairs, things like local elections, officer compensation, and contracting, while reserving matters of statewide concern to state law. The boundary between those categories gets litigated constantly. There are about 120 charter cities and 360 general law cities. San Francisco is unique, the only consolidated city and county, a single government exercising both sets of powers. Now, cities organize their internal governance in different ways. The most common in California is the council-manager form used by cities like San Jose and Sacramento. An elected council sets policy and hires a professional city manager to run day-to-day operations. The mayor's role is largely ceremonial. This reflects the progressive preference for professionalized, nonpartisan administration over the old patronage-driven machine model. The largest cities, Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco, use the strong mayor-council form, which more closely resembles the separation of powers we see at the state and federal level. Here, a separately elected mayor is a genuine chief executive, appointing department heads, proposing the budget, and wielding veto power, while the council retains budget and lawmaking authority. One distinctive California innovation worth knowing is the contract city, pioneered by Lakewood in 1954. A contract city provides its services not through its own departments, but through contracts, usually with the county. This let new communities incorporate and gain local land use control, without building a whole administrative apparatus. The city government might be just a small council, a manager, and a few staff. Critics say it enables fiscal free-riding. Defenders praise its flexibility and accountability. Either way, it reflects a deep debate about the right scale for local government, big enough to be efficient, small enough to stay responsive.